Hello everyone. Today we will learn role hierarchy. So in previous topic we had covered OWD profile and permission set. OWD I will show you its private admission object of profile, its untick of view all modify all permission set. Let me show you permission set. So we had created new permission set. So let me delete this permission. First we need to untick in manage user, delete the access of this user, then only we will able to delete, else we cannot delete this permission. Okay, so let me delete. So we have deleted permission sets. So now we don't have any permission. We have OWD is private, profile is view all modify all is untick, user have only basic access. Okay, so let me refresh and check what user have currently access. User should have basic access only. That means user can only view, delete, edit only self records. Let's see user have only access of all self records. Log out. So now what is role hierarchy? So let's see. Type role in setup, click on role. See, so now in role hierarchy what happen, you don't have access of access of the read write, but that means modify all access you don't have, right? Now OWD is private, profile is also have basic access, permission set you don't have any permission set. Now how you will get the access if you want? So suppose in this role hierarchy you will get the access of your junior. So that means parallelly whatever access your junior will have, your junior same access you will have automatically. So if your junior have view all modify all access but you don't have access, then automatically you will get the access by Salesforce, by role hierarchy. So let's see how it will work. Okay, set up role hierarchy. Now suppose CEO, let me go, and this user, new user which I have had shown you that this user have only basic access currently. Let me edit and assign role hierarchy as a CEO. Okay, save. So let me show you this again, just for a safe side. Admission object all. So this user don't have access, okay, to see other users record. Log out. Now let me create add role in this under CEO, assistant to CEO. Okay, CEO, save. So assign user. So assign user. Andy is a system admin. That means I am using system admin profile as a Andy Cloud. This profile I am using since beginning as a system admin. System admin have all the access. I have all the access. So I am now assistant of the CEO. Save. Okay, so I am CEO. Refresh. See, automatically it's come here as I assigned assistant to CEO. Let me show you this. See, I have all the access. I have all the access. Okay, so now I am assistant of CEO. Okay, and see, I have all the access but CEO don't have access, but now CEO should have access. Let me log in. Click on the admission object, click on all. See, magic. Now this user have all the access because this user is a CEO. So this user can edit also, can delete, anything can do, because this is he is senior. Delete. This user is senior, that user can do anything. So user who is junior, senior can see all the details, all the access of the junior as given here in the chart. See the chart given. So now I want to show you one more thing. Suppose, sorry, you don't want to give access to senior of junior, okay, but you want to assign role at time of creating a user, you want to assign a role. Then how and what you will do, that this role should be here but access should not go. So how it will work, you need one more thing. What you need to do, first log out and go to sharing setting. We are not going for OWD, don't worry. So now in the sharing setting, you need to click edit button. Let it become, system is little bit slow. So if you will see in animation object, there is a tick mark given. What is this tick mark said? Grant access using hierarchy. Using hierarchy. So let untick this and save. Okay, this is save. Let me recheck, double check this. So this is untick. Now let me show you again. We are in the object admission and user A. See, the user have only access of basic access only, all access gone, but still role is showing here. So this will work like this. Thank you everyone.